Yeah, good morning, everybody. I'm happy to join you today on today's episode of Bloom and Thrive. And Shundi Abiola is my name, and I want to appreciate you for dropping by to watching this video. And today's video happens to be one of a kind because I will be telling you, the one page every smart affiliate marketer should have in their sales funnel for them to increase their sales. Having said that, like I've said in previous video, that it's very, very important that you have a sales funnel, to help you with your sales process. And you have to take your prospect or your audience from a journey of being a prospect to customer, and after that they can become your loyal fans and advocate. So you need one page that will help you to increase your sales as an affiliate marketer, and that page is what we call the opt-in or the landing page. Some people call it landing page, some people also call it squeeze page. It's actually a page that helps you to capture leads of those that are interested in what we call your lead magnet. Let me explain the two. Leads are contact that you get from people who are interested in your lead magnet. While lead magnet is that free offer. It could be a training, it could be a video series, it could be an email course, it could be anything free that your audience are interested in order to what? To that you give them in exchange for their email addresses or their contacts. So they either give you their email address, or they give you their time, or they give you their phone number, either of it. So you find a way of judiciously using those contacts. So your sales page is the first thing that your customers or your prospects should see, not customer now, your prospects should see. And there's a way you design your sales funnel, your opt-in page in such a way that it will compel them, it will be inviting. And it starts with what we call the headline. What is your headline? Your headline should be catchy, should be eye-popping, and should actually be focused on what the lead magnet is all about. For example, if I would if I would want people to have access to my free course on sales funnel, I could just write, want to increase your sales, get this, download this PDF. Or you want to increase your sales 100%, then I can now come over to what I call the subtitle. Then I can, on that subtitle, I will further buttress on what the headline or the title, the main title is, just giving a little brief of what it is. So you can now say, in this report, I'm going to show you how to do XYZ and get XYZ results. And after that, you put in what we call your opt-in form, which could be the name. The form will include your name, the name of the person, the telephone number if need be, or the email and the email address. Some people might decide to just give it the name and the email, or some people the name and the phone number, depending on what contacts they want. So if you are using WhatsApp as your funnel, then you will need a phone number, so you'll be able to reach them via WhatsApp. So having that in place, you then move to your call to action. And the call to action could be download now. So it will be a button, whereby after they fill the form, then they can click on that button, which will take them to where they can download their free offer. So immediately that is done, you have a call to action which is very catchy. Get instant access now. download now. You know, a lot of call to action can be put on that button. Just put it there, then your sales page is good to go. Some people actually they may be a bit creative. You can put, if you have a mock-up of that lead magnet, or you have a graphic image of that lead magnet, you can put it as well on that sales page. Some people you can also adopt and what we call the timer. Yes, the countdown timer to add urgency to that opt-in page. So if immediately you put that in place, I can assure you that as people get into that page, as you share that link, and people get to see that link and they are interested in what you are offering, they will be able to put in their email address and their contact details, where such contact will now be stored on your what we call the database. And from that database, you can then follow up via email marketing to increase your sales. So I have actually created a course to help you setting up from your opt-in page down to the thank you page, even beyond the thank you page. Every process has been demystified with 100% practical steps, and you'll be using a very free platform. You won't need to pay for email marketing. You will need to pay for the sales funnel. If you are working with 2,000 prospects, then you have no problem. So if you want to know more about what I've just explained, then get yourself Super Funnel course. I am still selling it at the rate of 2,000 naira. The contact details also, the account details and the link to buy the course is below this video. Do well to click on the link and get an overview of what the course is all about. Thank you so much for today. And I want to say that selling is one of the best skills you can have if you are running any business or you are doing anything. In everything you do, learn how to sell. Till I come your way next time, my name is Shonde Abiola Damilare, and I love you. See you next time.